Today I wanted to share a content idea that you can incorporate, which is using an aesthetic mirror to add in quotes. And it's really a nice and easy way to add in something positive and motivating for your audience. This is something that could be incorporated for a brand that is sharing content related to positivity, confidence, or taking action. And so if you are, say, like a beauty brand or something related to fitness, something that has positivity, these are really great ways that you can incorporate this into your content. And so what you want to start off by doing is you want to grab your phone and take a photo of a mirror. This could be a photo in your home or out in public somewhere. And the next thing you want to do is you want to add in your motivational quote, your mantra or thought, and keep it simple. You can use a simple font like Verdana or Open Sans. And in terms of the color, use something that's like a white shade of a font, and you can also make it gradient depending on how the mirror's reflection is in your image. So I'm going to use an example on Canva. You can use any type of photo editing tool that you feel comfortable with. It's really quite easy to replicate. What you do is once you have your quote, you can drag and drop it into your image. I'm going to change the font a bit. You can use something like Verdana, something that's like an easy to read font. Don't make it too fancy or like with handwritten text, it might be too hard to read. And then I just change the gradient so that it's a little bit, it blends into the image a bit. On Canva, you would modify the font using the transparency tool, and you can also add in some dust elements to your image. Be sure to follow for more content, inspiration, tips, and tutorials.